Hi, I'm back. So for today's video, we are going to have the summary of what we have learned in the past videos. So I have here a table, which is the recent term, meaning, and effect. So let's start with the first term, which is the appreciation. So for appreciations, it means that the value increases over time. So the effect of this, the assets become more expensive. Just like the land, when you bought a land, its value increases, so it will become expenses as the time passes by. Now, what about depreciation? So for depreciation is value decreases over time. And for the effect, of course, the assets become cheaper. So this is cheaper. So these two are the opposite of each other. Okay, let's move on. Now, what about the simple interest? So for simple interest, computed only on the principal. So for the effect, the growth is steady and slow. Slow is steady growth. Now let's move on with the compound interest. So for compound interest, computed on principal plus previous interest. And of course, the effect is faster growth. All right, so now let's move on with the loan and mortgage. For the loan, it is about borrowed money with interest. And for the effect of loan, you can get money now and you can just pay more later. Get money immediately and pay it later. And pay it later. Now, what about mortgage? For mortgage, loan, it is a kind of loan where you are going to buy a house or a land. Again, house or land. It's a type of loan. You can own property, but it will serve as your collateral. Again, can own property, but you must pay it, or else if you fail to pay, you will lose the property. But you must pay, but must pay. Okay, I'm just gonna put collateral. Last one is the accumulated value. For the accumulated value, The meaning of this is the total money with interest added. Okay, so for this money, the effect will be the money will grow over time. So this is the summary of what we have learned for the past three lessons or for the past three videos. So thank you for listening. See you again to our next lesson. Goodbye.